So here we are, about 21 foot into a tunnel. We just made our first cut for cutting out the bad section of piping. We've got 2 fittings that we're gonna replace, 2 3x2 Ys, and this is actually what caused the problem right here. A piece of rebar was touching this fitting and caused electrolysis, as you can see up here, and just ate through the pipe. Alright, we've now taken a hammer and knocked out this section, which you can clearly see is completely eaten through. And we have also made our second cut, which leaves us needing to break this hub so that we can get to this pipe without having to disturb the concrete beam. And then we have to do the same on this side. Break this hub, because as you can see here, we have beam, water line, pipe, beam, and we can't disturb the beam. So now's the fun surgical part. Alright, so now we have this section broken off, and then we've cut right here to isolate this so hitting with the hammer doesn't affect this pipe. So we want that pipe to stay intact. Then over here, we have broken the bottom of the bell off, so that way we will be able to pull this whole section down in a few minutes without disturbing this pipe. Alright, surgery was a success. We've got where our line's going, where our bathroom comes from, where our kitchen comes from, and where our laundry comes from. So, all without compromising the beam any. And now we're gonna take a little break and go that way out of the tunnel and then come back and plumb it. Here we have the finished product.